Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to include images in your web page and also what HTML attributes are. So back to our web page where we want to include some images. But before we can do that, we need some images, right? Okay, so I'll just head here to Google Chrome and type HTML5 because you know that's the language we're using. And I like this one, so I will save the image right into our project folder and call it logo. So that's one of the images, and beside that I also want an image for the author. Now you can of course use a photo of yourself, but I will use this very handy website called Random User, where you can get random profile pictures. So I will just save this one. I will call it author. Okay. Also down here I will just write the name of this gentleman so I don't forget it. Gonzalez. Okay, so this is the author of our page. Now to put images on our web page, we use the img tag, which actually has no closing tag, so it's just img. Yeah, that's right, there are some HTML elements which have only the opening tag and no closing tag, and the img element is one of them. Just going to close this. Alright, now I want to put the image here between this first paragraph and the secondary header. So img and then close it. And now we're gonna see element attributes for the first time. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Because now, to indicate which image we want to display, we use the source attribute, which is src. src. And now brackets helps us again and shows us all the available files in our project folder. And here in this place I want to see the logo image. So I just choose this and hit enter. And here we go. Now the same thing with the author. Go down here and insert the other image. Okay, img src and brackets predicts what we want to write, so hit return and choose the author. Then close it, and now it should be there. Here it is. Now beside the source attribute, we should also give the img elements an alt attribute, which is an alternative text for the image, if the image cannot be displayed in the browser for some reason. I'll just put here some text, and the alt text should be some text which describes the image. In this case I will type in the HTML5 logo, and down here I will say this is the author photo. Now as you can see, this text doesn't display on the website. It's really just in case that the image cannot be displayed for some reason. So this was images. I think that now you know how you can display images on your website. It's really easy and straightforward. Next up, we have a lecture about links. See you there.